بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. مولانا أمير المؤمنين، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. هذا سؤال يتعلق تحت بما نفهمه من القرآن الكريم أنه لا إكراه في الدين. فلماذا ظهرت هنالك الحروب زمن الخليفة الأول بعد الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم ضد الذين تمردوا عن دفع الزكاة في وقت خلافته؟
As already said, we know that there is no compulsion in matter of religion. Why then fighting was conducted against those who refused to pay zakat during the Khilafah of Hazrat Abu Bakr?
Zakat was a state tax, and anyone who dares today in England to refuse to give tax, he will be persecuted. So zakat should not be understood to be just a casual, optional observation of the Quran, that you pay zakat well and good. According to the zakat's usage, you can understand that a part of it is spent on the state defense and so many other things. So he was only fighting for this, and that is why not a single person was converted to Islam through sword, not one. They all fought against those who refused to pay this tax. Even so that if somebody had given azan, knowing that Muslim troops were approaching the village, the instruction was that if you even hear the sound of azan, don't enter that village. So as far as the respect of self-perception is concerned, that is fully granted.